Okay, let's talk about exponentials. I'm talking about the graphs that look like something like this, 2 to the power of x. Notice how different that is from x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 is a parabola, a quadratic. But 2 to the power of x is an exponential. Be careful when people tell you that something is growing exponentially, because they're probably wrong. They're probably talking about something that works like a parabola. Exponentials grow much, much, much faster. All right, let's zoom back into the normal sort of numbers. I don't want to talk about this, I want to talk about this. Notice the shape of this graph. What happens if instead of 2, I use a different number, like 3 or 4 or 5? And what happens if I use a smaller number like a half or a quarter or 0.2 or 0.1? And what happens if I put a negative sign in front of the x? And what happens if I put a negative sign out the front in front of the 2? I'm not going to show you those things. I want you to go to Desmos now and play with it yourself. Or you can use your graphics calculator. Desmos is probably going to be quicker and easier. Go to Desmos online, the graphics calculator. Instead of 2, put in a letter like A or B and add a slider and start playing with it. What are the special values? What's the general shape of this curve always going to look like? What are its key features, etc. I want you to go and have a play first. Once you've done that, meet me in the next video.